Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, it's Greg Fritz coming to you from Collision Hub. Working for Celette down here today, as I always do. We're getting ready to do some measuring on this car for the Collision Hub. And I wanted to do a little video to show you how to set up the Naja rail uh, calibration. So, because a lot of people have questions on that, and they call me all the time. So I'm going to show you the 5 steps that I do. So, actually, it could be 6. But step 1. We're going to park the Gazelle under the car. Okay. Step 2. We're going to park the Naja head so the laser is right over the center support, rear support bar. Step 3. Move the head so it's at 90 degrees perpendicular to the bar. Step 4. Loosen these knurled screws. Make sure our pins are floating. Step 5. You come up to the nose so it just touches. We're taking the air gap out, okay? Step 6. Tighten the screws on the pins. After that, we just park the measuring head in the back, put the probe, 50 millimeter probe into the socket, hold it securely, push the power button on, and wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're on the computer and connect to Bluetooth. Okay, so now that we have our calibration set up, we need to finish connecting the Bluetooth. So I come over to the computer, click on the Bluetooth icon. It comes up. I come over to the measuring head. I move it slightly down the rail so it can count some of the holes, and it's ready to go. As you can see on the screen, it's ready to measure. Okay, that's how you do the calibration setup for the Naja Gazelle. If you like these videos, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share these videos, spread the word around. Greg Fritz signing out.